Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to delete folders in Outlook. Now you can either directly go to your Outlook application or you can go to your Google Chrome and search for www.outlook.com. For this video, I am using my website. After that, make sure you are logged into your account and you will be led to this home page. Now you can see three-line icon beside the option Home. Click over there. Now at the folder section, you can see all the folders. But remember that you can't delete the folder that is created by the Outlook itself. You can only delete or remove the folder that you have created yourself. Here I have created the folder Joya by myself. Now to delete this, all you need to do is click on this three-dot line. Now you can see the option delete folder. You have to simply click over there. Now this box will pop up. You have to simply click on OK. And you can see that the folder has been deleted. If you want to create a new folder, then you can simply click on this option and create yourself a new folder. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.